Diwali is a season of love, laughter, light, and new beginnings. Why don't we channel all those positive energies into our careers this year? Hi my friends, my name is Mehar and I make videos on all things related to careers, education, productivity, positivity to help you accelerate your career. And today's video is a little bit different because the festive season is upon us and I thought why not share some tips from me to you to light up your career this Diwali. Because this is a special video, I have dressed up for you. You can check out my full outfit here. I am really excited about the festive season. Even though we live in London, we do make it a point to celebrate in our little way. And I hope you are taking some time out from your hectic schedule, from your study schedule, work schedule to spend time with your family and friends. Your loved ones mean a lot to you. Show it to them this season. Yes, I'm going to share 11 tips from my point of view that you can do to give your career, to give your professional life a refresh and light it up. So if you are somebody who's been feeling down in the dumps, low, things are not going as per plan, this is a great way to give yourself a reset button and start the new chapter happily. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share and like this video if you find it fun and helpful. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you 11 things that you can do to give your career a refresh, to get ready for the upcoming year and to leave all the bad stuff, all the negative energy behind. These are simple things that you can do by yourself to remind yourself all the good that is happening in your life, all the good that has happened so far. Because Diwali is a festival of good over evil, knowledge over ignorance, and happy times over bad times. So keeping that in mind, my friends, the very first thing that I want you to do is actually sit down by yourself and write down your goals and your mission statement for the year. Yes, let's do it right now before the end of the year, which is 31st December. Let's start a fresh chapter this Diwali. So write down what is the one goal, the one mission that you have for this year till next Diwali. What do you want to achieve, my friends? Write it down for yourself and put it out there on your desk, in your room, and share it with your family and friends when they come by. Tell them that I'm pledging from this Diwali to next Diwali, I'm going to make X come true. For example, by next Diwali, I promise all of you that I would have impacted 500,000 of you. Yes, that's my promise and my mission that I'm sharing with you. So don't be shy, my friends. Write down that one mission that you have for this year. And that brings me on to the second thing that I would like you to do, my friends, and that is let go of all the negativity, all the baggage, and make peace with the past. What do I mean by that is that let go of all the mistakes you've made, all the little things that have gone wrong. Forget about them. It's a new beginning. It's a new day. I want you to forgive yourself, accept the mistakes that you've made and move on. And also get rid of people and projects that don't serve you anymore. You do not need negativity in your life, my friends. So this Diwali, pledge to yourself that I am not going to tolerate anything negative in my life. I'm going to block that energy out and focus on the good. And the third thing I want you to do, my friends, is finish all your unfinished tasks, everything that's pending, and start afresh. Everything that you've been wanting to finish, wanting to do, things that have been on your to-do list for a while, just get done with them before this Diwali season. Why? Because Diwali is a festival of new, fresh beginnings, right? So why should we carry on the old baggage that is no longer serving us? And that brings me on to the fourth thing that you should be doing, my friends, is celebrating your little victories and giving yourself some time off and taking care of yourself. So please make a list of all the achievements that you've had this year and feel proud of the little things that you've achieved. We don't actually sit down and reflect on how far we've come. And that brings me on to the next point, my friends, which is all about setting new financial goals. Yes, Diwali is all about God Lakshmi, right? That is about money, financial well-being, financial abundance. So I want you to set financial goals for yourself for this year as well. Get smart about your money, about saving, about investing. Start sooner than later. Promise yourself certain goals that you will achieve by next Diwali. I wasn't as smart with my money in my early 20s, so I actually want you to be somebody who is smart with their money. And that brings me on to the sixth point, my friends, and that is clean out your space. Clean out your desk, clean out your closet, clean out your room, wipe the dust, wipe the old, get rid of the clutter. The more you do this, the more lighter you'll feel. And that will make you move more easily and freely. Change will then look like a natural path, not an effort. So let go and get rid of the old and in with the new. And the seventh thing I really want you to do, my friends, is give your LinkedIn profile and your CV a revamp, a relook, a refresh. Add a new cover photo, a new profile picture, a new summary, a new headline to give it a whole new look. And if you are interested in learning how you can do more of that on your LinkedIn profile to build a brand, that online presence that recruiters are looking for, you must sign up for my LinkedIn workshop coming up. The link is in the description below. And my next tip is, my friends, really reach out and reconnect with some old classmate, colleague, some friend that you have lost touch with. Find somebody you haven't spoken to, let's say in the last 5 or 10 years. Reconnect, understand what's been up with them, understand his or her way of life today and why your lives took different paths. I'm telling you, your life will certainly look different after this reconnection. There's nothing better than connecting with an old buddy and just wishing them happy Diwali and chatting up with them. And my ninth tip is, my friends, this festive season, help out someone at work or in their careers. Why should we do that? Because Diwali is all about sharing, about giving. So why not help somebody who's on the same path as you, but maybe a few years or few months behind you? You do have a talent, you do have something unique, something special that only you can do. It may not be big, but it can be spectacular. Even the smallest things can be spectacular, my friends. So share your talent with the world, share your knowledge, share your information. And sometimes the way to learn new things is actually by teaching that same thing to someone else. By sharing your knowledge, you'll in fact ignite new ways of living your life. And my 10th tip is, my friends, take some time off this festive season on Diwali day. Take the time to relax and celebrate with your family, your friends, your loved ones. This is precious time that doesn't come back. Value it, nurture it. Laugh, sing, dance, celebrate. There is so much to feel grateful for. So make sure you take out the time to recoup your energy and be with people who matter the most to you. And that brings me on to the 11th tip, my friends, for this festive season is be a responsible citizen. Make sure to give to those who are in need. Donate food, clothes, things you don't really need anymore, your time, your energy in bringing a smile to somebody's face who may need it more than you. Let's learn to give back, my friends. Be somebody your younger and older self would be proud of. We are living in an era of drastic climate change, and little things like bursting crackers is just doing more harm to our own body, to our lungs, to people around us, as well as our Mother Earth. So value it. Be responsible for not just yourself, but for those around you. I hope this video was fun and useful, and I hope you're going to follow my 11 points and make it a Diwali to remember. Wishing you and your loved ones a very prosperous, happy, Shubh Diwali. I'll be back soon with another one, but until then, keep smiling, keep celebrating, and take these steps to light up your professional life. I will really be enjoying with my friends and family here and celebrating in a small way. I hope to see you soon. Bye.